welcome to my class. In this class, we are going to talk about fourth generation of computer. The major development in the fourth generation is of microprocessor, and it starts from 1975 and it goes up to 1989. Microprocessor. In the fourth generation of computer, electronic components were further miniaturized through further integration of circuits on the silicon chip, where millions of transistors are packed in a single chip. Basically, the fourth generation computers were an extension of integrated circuits to large scale integration (LSI) and very large scale integration technology, that is VLSI. Large scale integration technology allowed thousands of transistors to be put together on one small slice of silicon material, whereas VLSI squeezed hundreds of thousands of components onto a single chip. Further, ultra large scale integration increased that number into millions. In this way, the size of computers started shrinking and became cheaper than ever before. This progress led to a dramatic development in the creation of microprocessor. A microprocessor contains all the circuits needed to perform arithmetic logic and control functions, the core activities of all computers on a single chip. Hence, it became possible to build a complete computer with a microprocessor, a few additional primary storage chips, and other support circuitry. It started a new revolution, that was the personal computer revolution. In 1980, IBM came out with its own PC, popularly known as IBM PC. In 1981, IBM introduced its first computer for the home user as personal computer (PC). The term PC refers to the fact that an individual can now own his or her own computer. Now the characteristics of fourth generation computers. Microprocessor based. The fourth generation computers are microprocessor based computers. Microprocessor is small processor in which all components of CPU are embedded on a single wafer of silicon. Therefore, microprocessor is a single chip integrated circuit CPU. Size. The size of the computer has become very small. What used to be a room-sized computer at one time is now available as desktop or laptop with much more computational power. Moreover, very large-scale integration chips are getting refined every day. The size of the chip is shrinking and the components which are packed in a chip are multiplying. Third point is they are portable and quite reliable. These computers generate negligible amount of heat, hence they do not require air conditioning. Hardware failure rate is very low, therefore minimum maintenance is required. Fourth generation computer has also seen the development of graphical user interface. In many cases, you must have seen you are using certain icons on the computer. These icons are termed as graphical user interface. In the fourth generation computer, we have also seen the development of mouse and handheld devices. Thank you very much.